Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by choosing the quietest room and closing windows and doors to drop outside noise quickly. Next, turn off or silence fans, HVAC and noisy appliances, and mute notifications on devices. This reduces constant background hum. Use a headset or a directional microphone and place it about 6 to 12 inches from your mouth. This improves voice pickup while rejecting room noise. Once done, check your audio levels in the app and lower system sounds so your voice dominates the mix. You now adjust both hardware and software for cleaner calls. First, enable built-in noise suppression, acoustic echo cancellation, and automatic gain control in your calling app. These filters remove steady background sounds. Then, manually set microphone gain so your signal peaks without clipping, and make sure the mic pattern is directional. Add a foam windscreen or pop filter to reduce plosives, and if needed, place soft furnishings behind you to absorb reflections. Once configured, run a quick test call and listen for You finish by performing a recorded test call and critically listening for remaining noise. This shows what others hear. If you still get unwanted sounds, switch to a wired connection, restart your audio device and app, or try a different USB port. These simple moves often fix driver hiccups. If background noise persists, use a small isolation shield or a white noise source behind you to mask low-frequency rumble or move to another room. Troubleshooting tip: if nothing helps, swap mics briefly to isolate hardware versus software causes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.